Hello everyone, welcome back to the Town Car video. In this one, we're going to be replacing the grill, or my grill, on, I think this is like 03211 or 05211 Town Cars. The reason I'm replacing this one is that it's starting to bubble on the inside. Here, all along this ridge, crease, up here, this giant one here. Yep. Also, I did find another HD headlight. I think it was like around $250 I paid. This just came in today. This is the best I could clean it up. I'm going to get this professionally cleaned, see if I can hopefully knock out the yellowing. Because if you walk over to the left one, or the right one technically, it's a lot less, yellowed. And compared to the one that had water inside of it, it's still, this one's a lot nicer, but it has water in it. Which absolutely sucks. So we're gonna see about that and keep it posted. For the grill, it shouldn't be too difficult. It's in that box. This came with, this is also 05211. But this one is brand new from Ford. Well, it's a Ford OEM, so it's actually from eBay. I got it for $100. So to remove this one, I believe there is like 15 bolts. Focus here. These are what they look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, around 10. And then it also comes with the Emblem, which you could buy separately. So let's go ahead and open up the new one. There's our brand new sealed grill, and this is the box it came in. And where's that part number? There it is. 2006 revision for Z, standing for the Town Cars, and this is what they call it, and the font number associated with it, 6W1Z8200AA. And it looks like it came from a Ford in Windsor. Oh, there's two of them though. Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and start unscrewing this. I need to figure out what bolt size it is. I'm guessing the same one as the headlight. Probably not. So this would be an 8. Let's see if it's the right one. It's either yes, but it may be a deep well. 3/8 deep well, don't fail me now. Ah! Too big. Oh, too small, the bolt is too big. Excuse everyone, I thought we were so out of luck, but apparently the size was a 10mm, and I do not need a deep socket. Why is the focus locked? Come on. Oh, that ain't focusing. Let's attach this to a ratchet. If I only had one of those small impact ones that can just zip these off, whoop-de-doop. So let's start. Oh, that's tightening. Moving these. There we go. And we'll be right back. Now that all the bolts are out, the bottom is loose, but the top is not. So I think what's happening here is this Emblem pushes through the back, and that's what's holding this on. So pliers are probably inside the house, way over there. So we're gonna try using my fingers to push this in. Nothing works when it's cold. Oh yeah, better yet, I just thought I was done putting this on, but what if my doodads fell in there? And no pliers. I am so prepared. Okay, I'm back. Pliers were the correct thing. Just push it in, and voila. I will be selling this on eBay because it's in pretty good shape, except the bubbling. So I don't know if you've got the colors in a crash, just need like a cheap part. This would probably be half the cost of a new one. I don't know, like 50, 65 if it's including shipping. I'll price it with ones on eBay, but it is very good shape. Cleaned like on almost a daily basis, sub-daily. Wait, new one. Let's unwrap it. Now I believe I watched, what's his name? Ooh, one out. There we go. Oh wow, that is very shiny. Alright, I'm going to use 2 hands to install this. Pause the video. Now all of them are successfully in and tightened. This did snap into place as I was tightening these screws. Oh, I'm forgetting one. But anyway, that should do it for the grill. Very, very reflective and nice. I like it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good one.